Alrighty, so today we are going to make some stuffed mushrooms. Currently we have 2 packs of button mushrooms. I have removed the stems and diced them up finely. And then I've greased the pan and sprinkled a little bit of olive oil on top of the mushrooms. Here we have the stems that are all nice and chopped. We have some onions that are nice and chopped. We have some spinach that's rough chopped, and then some cream cheese. You'll also need salt, pepper, and garlic. You can use garlic powder, garlic cloves, whatever you prefer. Alright, so we have our skillet, and into that we are going to add a little bit of EVOO, just enough to kind of lube up the pan. And we are going to add into that our onions. And you can also add in your mushroom stems. Now we're going to cook these until the onions are golden brown and everything is nice and tender. Alright, so everything's nice and tender, good and cooked. There's a lot of aromatics happening in here. We're going to go ahead and add in our cream cheese and our spinach. Now the spinach is going to wilt quite promptly, and then the cream cheese is going to take a minute to get melty and smooth. Once the cream cheese melts, then we'll add salt and pepper and stuff our mushrooms. Alrighty, so we now have our cream cheese has melted. It all looks nice and good. Salt, pepper to taste. Add your garlic in there. And we're going to go stuff the mushrooms here in just a second. Alrighty, now it's time for my favorite part. We're going to take our mixture. We've added salt, pepper to taste, a little bit of garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic if you have it. I do not currently have it on hand today. So we're going to fill all of our mushrooms, which is pretty self-explanatory, but we're going to go for it. So you want to fill them where they're just coming to the top. You don't want to overfill them too terribly much. And if you want two different options. One, if you want them to be a little lower calorie, you can use Laughing Cow cheese or one of the flavored Laughing Cow cheeses to get a different taste. And also, if you're not worried about calories and you just want some added extra flavor, you can top these with a little bit of grated Parmesan, like the pizza topping, and they will crisp up nice and good. You can also put some breadcrumbs on top too if you want a nice crisp. I don't really care about the crisp, I just like the flavor. Alright, so you're going to pop these. You're going to finish filling all of them, of course. Then you're going to pop them into a 400-degree oven. The time depends on you. Okay? As long as the center's warm, they're ready to eat. My friend likes her mushrooms like barely done. I like to cook my mushrooms to death. I like to put them in a sauce and just cook the sauce for days and days and days. I like to cook my mushrooms to death. So it all depends on you. So as long as the center's warm, I'm good with you eating it. But it depends how cooked you want your mushrooms. So 400 degrees, anywhere from 12 to 45 minutes, depending how cooked you want them. Alrighty? Try the recipe. Let me know if you tried any of the different mixtures, and let me know what you think.